Harness Code Repository is a modern source code management tool that is designed with security and compliance in mind. In this video, we'll look at access control for Harness Code Repository. Here we have a repository at a project level. These would be your application source code repositories. You can also have repositories at an organizational level. This could be your security or utilities related repository that would be shared across multiple engineering teams. And you can also have a repository at a higher level, like at an account level. We have a new developer joining the team. Let's look at access control setup for this developer. Ideally, you'd like to add the user to a user group so that you can manage access control for a group rather than for each individual users. Besides your human users, you can also create service account. These will be for your API access and machine configs. Out of the box, Harness platform provides you a number of roles. For Harness Code Repository, you have the code admin role, but you can also create a custom role. Let's create dev-role and update the role permissions to give the developer access to some shared resources, to view policies and policy sets, to view pipeline execution. And for Harness Code Repository, the developer will be able to view and push to the repository, but not able to create, edit, or delete the repository. Next, you define the resource group. This means the scope where the role will be applied to. We can limit the scope to account only or specify the organization and the project. You can go even fine-grained and go to specific resources within that project. Let's use the same shared resources, policy and policy sets, pipeline, and code repository. Once you define the roles and resource group, you assign them to the principal. Principal means the users, user groups, or the service accounts. Click on Manage Roles and add the role binding. Select the role we created and the resource group. That's how easy it is to set up fine-grained access control for Harness Code Repository using Harness Platform Role-Based Access Control.